to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to show you step by step how to prepare your potato for your potato cakes. Yes, I want to show you how to season it so that you could enjoy it in so many different ways. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing potato cakes, these are my ingredients. I have salt, garlic powder, parsley, 1.5 cups of queso cotija, and 3 Russell potatoes. This is everything you need to make those amazing potato cakes. So let's get started. First things first, getting ready the Russell potato. I washed them really good. I scrubbed them really good. And now we are going to take them to the stove and start cooking them. It's going to take about 30 minutes. But let me tell you, you don't want to overcook your potatoes. Cook it at medium-high heat and just leave them there until you are ready to put a knife and it still has a little bit of resistance, or a fork and it still has a little bit of resistance. This is what takes much longer, cooking the potato, making sure that you don't overcook it. I want to show you step by step so that when you start frying them, the potato doesn't go everywhere in the oil. Let me show you from close up. It has to have a little bit of resistance. It's not overcooked and it still has that little resistance. That's exactly how you want them. Now I am ready to transfer them to a bowl. Let them come to room temperature. Of course, I'm going to peel them. And you don't want to see me doing that. You want to see the recipe. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and a little bit of salt. I'm going to smash them really good. And then I'm going to add 1.5 cups of Cotija cheese. Yes, this is how you season your potato to make your potato patties, your potato cakes, however you name them. But I was almost forgetting the most important ingredient, the binding ingredient, which is 2 room temperature eggs. I'm going to incorporate it really good, making sure everything is nice and covered. And once this is done, your best tool is your hands. I'm going to transfer a little bit of the mixture and I'm going to start making my patties. Let me show you how to make them. Look at this. Of course, they're going to stick a little bit. That's okay. You're going to put them on a tray. Add a little bit of oil in the tray, just slightly a little bit, so that the potato mixture doesn't stick to the plate. And here I'm going to stay making the rest. Out of this mixture, I am getting 8 potato patties. Look at this, 8 of them. And let me tell you, they're not small, they're medium size. So here I'm going to continue making the rest. Let me tell you, this recipe is so versatile. You could make it in soup. You could make it in some pasta. You could make it with the salad. You could enjoy it with just a tomato sauce, which I'm going to do today, so that you could see so many different ways to enjoy this amazing potato patty or potato cake. Here I have vegetable oil. The oil is nice and hot, and I'm going to start adding them one by one. How do you know when to flip them? How do you know when to flip them? When you see the edges of the potato getting nice and golden brown, it is time to flip them over. They're going to be cooking on each side for about 3 minutes. Remember, the potato is already cooked. You're only getting them nice and golden brown. So here I'm just going to flip them. Remember the technique. Make sure that the rims are golden brown before you flip them. And you're only going to flip them once. They're going to be on each side for about 3 minutes, depending on the temperature. I have it in medium-high heat so they don't absorb the excessive oil. Once this is done, I am ready to remove it and put it back on the tray. Look how beautiful they look. And let me tell you, they taste amazing. My family really loves these potato patties. And of course, I'm making the sauce, and here are the ingredients. The jalapeno is not spicy, it's just going to give it an amazing taste. And here I want to show you how they look from the inside. You could really see the cheese in the inside. They're really fluffy from the inside. The outside is so crispy. You could see all those little specks of the parsley. My gosh, my mouth is watering, and of course, I need to taste. Oh my God, this is amazing and delicious. Let's start making the sauce. How easy is this sauce? 2 tomatoes cut in fourths. I'm going to cut the jalapeno, and I am going to, of course, wake up my garlic cloves. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up, and all this is going to go into the blender. Look how easy it is to prepare this amazing sauce for your potato patties. I have half an onion. I'm going to reserve a little piece from the onion. I'm going to start adding the smoked paprika. I'm adding oregano, and I'm adding chicken bouillon. Remember, the chicken bouillon and the salt is to taste. 1.5 cups of water. That's everything you need. Let's blend away. We're not going to put it through a sifter. We want it nice and thick, nice and smooth. So we're not going to put it through a sifter. We're just going to blend really good. The other piece of onion, I'm just going to slice away so that I could cook it and it could release all the flavors. In the saucepan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add the onion that I just sliced away. And of course, after a few minutes, I'm going to add the amazing sauce we made. Look how easy it is to prepare this amazing sauce with your potato patties. And now I'm ready to add all the liquid, all the potato, all the sauce for the potato, and just let it cook and reduce in medium heat. And now I am ready to plate it. Look how smooth, how thick it is. And right on the top, I am going to lay my potato patty. If you got to this part of the video, you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Of course, a little bit of parsley on the top, and I'm ready for the presentation. Let me tell you, this comes out perfect every time. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing potato cakes. Let me tell you, when you make them this way and when you're frying them, the potato doesn't go all over the place. It'll stay in place with your patties. Let me tell you, and this sauce, just amazing. This is the part I really love and enjoy tasting my recipes. Excuse me. This potato cakes made in this sauce, just perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, that you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing potato and cheese patties. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.